those red flyers. That's what's coming to use. They've already got one. These are pretty good. Blacksmithing process softens metal. So the one way to heat it up to cool it down is put it in oil. Oil cools it fast. Cooling it fast makes it hard. Hard as a rock. That's what we're looking for. Hold on.
That fucking smoking hot.
What?
That fucking smoking hot.
Yeah, it's smoking hot. This fire is probably over at least 2,500 degrees right now.
Oh well, just quench it. What are we gonna do? Just let that go out?
The best way to let one of these dry, right on bricks.
That is if your dad is a mason.